Now we will study Visarga Sandhi. First we will study Avagraha Sahitaha Okara Rupaha. First we will see the rule. If a Visarga is preceding by a and also followed by a or a soft consonant, then Visarga changes into U. Then the preceding a and u combined together and resulting sandhi is o as per the rule of Guna Sandhi. The following a is dropped and this is shown by sign Vikhanda or Avagraha. Now we will take one example, Simha plus Asti. The rule is if there is a before the Visarga. Now children, Simha is ending in ha and all of you know that all the consonants are basically halant and when we add vowel to it, it becomes complete. So in ha there is a. What do we want? We want a before the Visarga. Yes, we have a before the Visarga. And if there is a soft consonant after the Visarga or a vowel, then this Visarga changes into U. Here we have a before the Visarga and after the Visarga we have again a, that is a vowel. So what will happen? A plus Visarga plus a. Now this a will be as it is and this Visarga will change into U. Now a plus U will be O as per the rule of Guna Sandhi. Now this Simho plus Asti will be there. Now as Simho is ending in O and after that Asti is there, there is one rule of Sandhi that if the first word ends in A or O and the second word is starting with A, then this A which is starting in the next word will be replaced by Dvikhanda, which resembles S alphabet of English. So the answer will be Sinhosti. Now we will take example which is given in your book, Saha plus Aham. Now what is our rule? That if there is a before Visarga, we have a in Sa and after the Visarga we have a which is a vowel. Then what will happen? This Visarga will change in U. A will be as it is, but in place of Visarga, U will come. Now this A plus U will be O according to the rule of Sandhi. According to Guna Sandhi, this will become O. Now Sa Halanta plus O will be So. So Aham will be the two words. Now according to rule of Sandhi, if the first word ends in A or O and the next word is beginning with A, then this A will go and in place of that Avagraha or Dvikhanda will come which resembles the letter S of English. Soham will be the answer.